find the x-coordinates only of the points of intersection of this line with this curve. So we need to solve them simultaneously. And the easiest way to do that is to put the two right-hand sides equal to each other, because the left-hand sides must be equal at the same point. So I'm going to write that x squared minus x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 11. Now it's a quadratic equation, so I'm going to subtract these from both sides. So subtracting 2x from both sides, well, that gives me minus 3x. And if I subtract 11 from both sides, that gives me minus 6, and that's equal to 0. So I'm now going to use the quadratic formula, and the reason I know that is because the question says give your answers to 2 decimal places, which means that it doesn't factorize. So it's going to be minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. And in this case, a is equal to the number of x squareds, which is 1. b is equal to the number of x's, which is minus 3. And c is equal to this number here, which is minus 6. So let's start putting in the numbers. X is going to equal minus b. Well, if b is negative 3, then minus b will be 3 plus or minus the square root of b squared. Well, minus 3 squared is positive 9 minus, I'm going to put this, the 4ac in a bracket, so it's 4 times 1 times minus 6, and that's all divided by 2 times 1, which is 2. So if we keep going, it's 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus, now the bracket there becomes minus 24, and that's divided by 2. Now that is the same as 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 plus 24 divided by 2. Now that's just 3 plus or minus the square root of 33 divided by 2. So 2 possible answers here, one of which is going to be 3 plus the square root of 33, all divided by 2. Now that comes out as 4.37 to 2 decimal places, or it's going to be 3 minus the square root of 33 divided by 2, and that comes out as minus 1.37.